Allstate Roof Replacement features, strengths, weaknesses. Allstate offers roof replacement services through a network of vetted, licensed contractors. Key features include digital estimates, project management through the Allstate app, and a workmanship warranty in addition to the manufacturer's warranty. This is primarily targeted toward homeowners already insured by Allstate looking for a streamlined, tech-driven roof replacement experience. A major strength is the convenience factor. Having Allstate handle the contractor selection, initial inspection, and project oversight can reduce the homeowner's workload significantly. Digital estimates provide transparency, and the app-based project management allows for easy communication and tracking of progress. The workmanship warranty, typically lasting a year or two, offers added protection against installation errors. However, there are also weaknesses. The pool of contractors is limited to those approved by Allstate, potentially restricting homeowner choice and potentially impacting pricing competitiveness compared to soliciting multiple independent bids. The digital approach may not appeal to all homeowners, particularly those who prefer face-to-face interaction throughout the entire process. Furthermore, the ultimate responsibility for the roof's integrity still rests with the homeowner and the manufacturer's material warranty. The Allstate warranty only covers installation defects, not inherent product flaws or damage caused by extreme weather events outside the scope of the manufacturer's coverage. Another potential drawback is the potential for communication gaps between Allstate, the contractor, and the homeowner, especially if project details are primarily managed through the app without consistent direct contact. Ultimately, deciding if Allstate Roof Replacement is right for you depends on your priorities. If you value convenience, digital tools, and the peace of mind that comes with Allstate's involvement, it's worth considering. However, if you prefer complete control over contractor selection, are comfortable managing the project independently, and prioritize potentially lower costs by securing multiple quotes yourself, then exploring other options is advisable. Carefully compare Allstate's estimate and warranty terms with those offered by independent contractors before making a final decision. Don't hesitate to get several quotes from local roofing companies and check their insurance and reputation. Doing this will allow you to make a fully informed decision about who is best to replace your roof.